Students, welcome back to your online class again. So in today's video I'll begin with exercise 4.3 of your maths book. In 4.3, the first question, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square is the question. See, over here you will get it completing square. In mathematics you have formula a plus b holding square, and another one is a minus b holding square. You see the whole term is completed by a square. So I will use these two formula, either a plus b or a minus b holding square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. You will use these two formula. So in the first number, let us say the first term is a and the second one is c. You will get it here negative sign. It means the first term is a, and in the second you have got it here minus sign. So over here is plus. Since it is minus here, so you are going to use here a minus b holding square. So to solve and tackle these types of problem, 2x square minus 7x plus 3, which is equal to 0. See, if the first coefficient is 2, then divide the whole term by 2. If the first coefficient is, let us say, 17, you divide the whole term by 17. So let's do the same thing. 2x square divided by 2 minus 7x divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Now I think you can reduce these two numbers. You can cut it. That is, what is the remaining? X square. It means what? This is a square value. A square minus 2. What is your a? Your a value is x. A square minus 2a. Over here you will keep it b value plus b square. And then what is the remaining number? Plus 3 by 2. So how to get it this b value? A square minus 2a b. So to get it b value, see what is the second term? 7x divided by 2. 7x divided by 2. This, the second term, should be divided with 2a value. What is your 2a value? Your 2a value is 2 and x. 2x. I think you can reduce x and x. Then what do you get it here? 7 divided by 2 to 4. So your b value will be 7 by 4. So you can write it here 7 by 4. A square minus 2ab plus, what is your b value? 7 by 4. 2ab plus b square plus 3 by 2 is the same number. And if you have here plus, then you also write the same number, minus 7 by 2 holding square, which is equal to 0. Why do we write it this minus 7 by 2 holding square? Because this minus 7 by 2 and plus 7 by 2 can be cancelled at any time, and then plus 3 by 2, it's remain here. And then if you cut it 2, 1, 2, 2 times, then over here 2, 7 by 2 x, which is the same number. So you need to write minus 7 by 2 because you have got it here 7 by, sorry, it should be 7 by 4. 7 by 4, then you have to write it minus 7 by 4, the same number with an opposite sign. So from the first term till here, you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. What formula is this? A minus b holding square formula. What is your b value? 7 by 4. Then which is equal to, you transfer all the remaining parts on the right hand side, that is minus 3 by 2 minus will become plus 7 by 4 holding square. Then x minus 7 by 4 holding square is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16, and then x minus 7 by 4 holding square, which is equal to 16 and 2. If you take the same, it will be 16. 2 how many times? 8 here. 24 plus 16, 1 to 49. Then x minus 7 by 4 square and then 16. 49 minus 24 will be 25. After that, x minus 7 by 4. Then this square, if you transfer on the right side, it will become plus minus square root over 25 divided by 16. Then x minus 7 by 4 plus minus 25 is how many square? 5 square. 16 is how many square? 4 square. You can write it 5 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. So you can do now either or. Either x minus 7 by 4, which is equal to first take plus 5 by 4, and on the second part x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, you take this time negative 5 by 4. In the first I have taken plus over here, and in the second I have taken minus. Now x is equal to 5 by 4, this minus you transfer, plus 7 by 4, then x is equal to 4 and 4, LCM is 4, and then 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, this side, x is equal to minus 5 by 4, and then plus 7 by 4, and then x is equal to 4, then minus 5 plus 7. Then over here x is equal to how much? 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4, and then your x value will be 3 times, and then here your x value will be 2 by 4, and then x will become 1 by 2. Therefore the root of the given equation is x equal to 3 or x equal to 1 by 2. So to tackle these types of problems, especially completing square, you have to use either a plus b holding square or a minus b holding square. So to know it, which formula we are going to use, you see the second part, the second term of the sign. It is negative here. It means you are going to use it. You are going to use it a minus b holding square. If there is plus here, that means you are going to use a plus b holding square. Then the second part of the problem, how to tackle, is this. Whenever the first coefficient is 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, let us say whenever there is a coefficient, you divide the whole term by the first coefficient. That is, if it is 2 here, we divide the whole term by 2. If it is 7, you will divide the whole term by 7 like this. And the next part is just transferring and solving the problem. So I'll do one more problem of this type and try to learn it. Go with this video again and again and try to learn the basic part, so that you can try the remaining numbers. Okay, this is your Roman number 3 solution. You can make it with a high resolution and just take a screenshot once, or you can write it down. So I'll go to the explanation part of these solutions. I have just written all the solution because to make it, to shorten the video, I've written, just I'll go for the explanation. Now you see 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Since the first coefficient is 4, you will divide the whole term by 4. Then 4 and 4 you can cancel, 4 and 4 you can cancel, and 3 by 4 over here. Now you see here x square is remains, so x square, a square plus 2a. This is a constant number according to the formula. 2a, b part. How to get the b part? Yes, I have told you. After cutting this 4 and 4, root 3x you have got it. So this is b value, root 3x. And then I told you that the second term should be divided with 2a value. What is your 2a value? 2x. X and x cancel. So your b value will be root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 divided by 2 is your b value. Plus b square. Root 3 divided by 2 square. And then plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Since you have got it plus root 3 by 2, you have to write it minus root 3 by 2 holding square, so that these two numbers minus and plus can be cancelled, and then 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Root 3 into x will be root 3x. That's it. You will get the same number with the previous equations. So from here till the third term, x square plus 2x root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 holding square. What formula is this? A square plus 2ab plus b square formula. Instead of this, you can write it a plus b holding square formula, which is equal to the remaining part you transfer on the right side. Plus 3 by 4 will be minus 3 by 4. Minus will become plus root 3 by 2 holding square, root 3 by 2 holding square. Now the same number, and then minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus plus root 3 square will be 3, 2 square will be 4. Now 4 and 4 you take LCM, it will be 4, and then 4 1 time 1 into 3 will be minus 3 plus 4 1 time 1 into 3 will be 3, and then plus 3 and minus 3 you can cancel, and you will get 0 divided with any number will be equal to 0. Now you can go with either or, because this square, if you transfer in the right side, it will become plus minus square root of 0. Square root of 0 is always 0. That's why you need not to go with the next line. Just you can go for either or. So x plus root 3 divided by 2 square, square will not be there anymore, or you can write it like this, x plus root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0. It means you have to transfer this one in the right side. X is equal to plus root 3 by 2, it will become minus root 3 by 2. The same thing, x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0, x is equal to, this plus will become minus root 3 by 2. So here roots of the given equation will be minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 in both the cases. So students, I have done question number 1, Roman number 1 and Roman number 3. So the remaining number you try yourself. If you have any problem, just go to the comment section and ask me, so that I can reply you on later on. So I'll straight away again go to question number 2. So in question number 2, see, find the roots of the quadratic equation in question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. This time you have to use it a quadratic formula. Before we have done using a completing square method, this time we will use a quadratic formula. A quadratic formula will be like this: x is equal to minus b plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is your quadratic formula. First of all, you take down the value of a, b and c like this. The first coefficient is a value, and the second coefficient is the b value, and the third term, that is the constant number, will be c value. See, without writing this discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, you can also solve using the formula directly. But why do I write down here? Because this discriminant part, the formula used to come mostly by tick the correct, and so just multiple choice type as 1 mark. So I have written down the discriminant part. So you also learn this discriminant properly. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Just put the value. What is here? B minus 7. B square minus 4, what is here? A value 2, and what is here? C value 3. Then 7 square will be 40, 9 minus square is plus, minus 40 at 12, 12 into 2 will be 24. 49 minus 24 will be 25. Now you can use the formula. What is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now you see the formula. Minus, what is your b value? Your b value is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Square root of, what is your b square minus 4ac value? B square minus 4ac value is 25, so you can directly write here 25. divided by 2. What is here a value? A value is 2. Then minus minus will be plus 7, plus minus square root of 25 is 5. Then 2 2 are 4. So x value we have got it here 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. So you can go directly either or. Either x is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or another one, x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. Then your x value will be 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4. Then x is equal to, after cutting you will get it 3. And another one, x is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4. If you reduce it, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the root of the given equation is x equal to 3, or another one, x is equal to 1 by 2. So we have seen that when we go to question number 1, which is a completing square method, we have got it the same answer, x equal to 3, and another value is 1 by 2. Even here when we use a quadratic formula, we have got the same result, which means our answer is absolutely right. So you see it and practice with the other question. I'll do one more number and then we'll skip this type of process, especially quadratic formula again. I'll go to Roman number 2 using a quadratic formula. Since, what's your first a value? A value is 2, and your b value is, what is the coefficient of x? 1, and your c value is, what is the constant term? Minus 4. Like before, you go to the discriminant. What is the formula? B square minus 4ac. Put the value b square minus 4. What is your a value? 2. And what is your c value? Minus 4. Then 1 square is 1, minus minus will be plus. 4 4 are 16. 16 2 times is 36. And then you will get it 37. No, it's a mistake. It will be 4 2 are 8, 8 4 are 32, will be 33. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, we have got it here, the discriminant value. So I use a quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then put the value x equal to minus, what is your b value? B is 1 plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac value is 33, and then 2a. 2. What is your a value? A value is 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 33 by 4. Since this 33 is not a perfect square number, so we can't reduce this square root, so we have to keep as it is. So we have to go to either or. Either x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus square root over 33 by 4. Let me take first positive, and then you can write it x is equal to root over 33 minus 1 by 4, or another one, x is equal to minus 1 minus root over 33 by 4. That is x equal to, you can write the same thing, minus root over 33 by 4. And the root of the given equation is x equal to root over 33 minus 1 by 4, or x equal to minus 1 minus root over 33 by 4. You can take it here minus if you want, and then minus will be outside, and inside the bracket there will be plus, or you can just keep it as it is like this. So this is your answer again. Please note it down all this, or just take a screenshot. So today is we have learned it, completing square formula and applying quadratic formula. Please go to the question, go it back and try the remaining questions. If you have any problem, just please contact me to the comment section. That's all for today again. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone.